Hey yo, what's going on guys? Today I'm going over 5 winter products that you can put inside your Shopify store and make some serious sales December 2022 and beyond. You guys are loving these videos, so I just want to keep giving back and keep showing you what's working right now in the market. These products are proven to work. They're crushing it for other Shopify stores. I'm going to show you guys the creatives, the websites, AliExpress links, how much to sell it for. You got it all. We're going to do these videos a lot often, so if you enjoy this, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down your thoughts. I am giving away a Shopify store in the next couple of videos, so stay tuned for that. If you want to be entered to win this custom Shopify store, comment the word Shopify right in the comments below, and let's get into my computer and get to those 5 winner products. Let's go. So I created a quick spreadsheet for you guys to track all these 5 products. These 5 products are proven to work with other stores, so I know it's proven to work for your store. And we're started with product number 1. By the way, we do these videos every single week. You guys have been loving them. So I don't know if you're not subscribed already, you're losing out. Let's start with product number 1. Now this product is cool because it's not in English. Take a look. Con el super cepillo alisador obtén el cabello soñado en cuestión de minutos. Esto le permite Now I have zero clue what they're saying, but I do know that this product was killing it in the US market. So what this Shopify dropshipper did is super smart. He took the product and translated it into a different language. Rápidamente para salir, en lugar the product itself makes your hair straight, which is awesome. Luchar con los secadores de pelo día tras día. It's a very, very cool product. We're not going to spend time watching a Spanish video, so I'm just going to show you guys the product page. As you guys can see, Spanish market also crushing it. All my Spanish followers, I love you guys, okay? If you guys know Spanish and you can create product pages like this, or even hire someone to do it like this, then you can take products that are working in the US and crush it in Spanish also, okay? Keep this in mind. Now, the next 4 products are going to be English products, and the same thing applies for all of them. You can use it in USA language, you can do it in English, or you can do it in Spanish. It doesn't really matter. But this product in particular, I know was doing super well in the US, so it might be a little saturated to do it in English. But someone like this that took it into the Spanish market is very smart. Let's move on to product number 2, okay? Product number 2 is this really cool dog ball. And this dog ball, I haven't really seen all over the place. It's a brand new product. It was just posted literally today. Let's take a look at the product itself, okay?
This is the active rolling ball. It automatically rolls and moves, keeping my dog entertained for hours when I'm busy. My dog goes crazy over this toy.
So as you can see, it's super, super cool. It helps with anxiety for dogs. It helps keep the dog busy. So the great product overall. Usually I do not like dog and pet products. You guys who are in my community, you know I don't really like these products because they have high CPMs and they have a lot of competition. But this product is new and unique, and that's why I like it. Let's take a look at the product page. Overall, super, super nice. They're getting people to buy more than one. I would definitely do packs of balls. Don't just sell one at a time. Do like 1 or a pack of 3 or a pack of 5 or a pack of 10. Okay, and as you can see, they have a bunch of different great reviews that entice people to buy it. They also have this little thing on top. It says hot product, low in stock. I love that. Let's go ahead and go to AliExpress. As you can see on AliExpress, there's only one person that's really selling it. If you click on it, there's 259 orders in it, but it says, sorry, we cannot find that page, which is kind of weird, but also at the same time, I like that. If it's harder to find it on AliExpress, then you know it is a great product. You can change around the wording, okay? Instead of doing automatic moving, you do automatic, okay? Let's see if we can find something over here. All right, and I will update in the description below. I will put the 5 links to these products, and if I find the AliExpress links, I will put it in there as well. As you can see, here we go. There are these right over here. We get them for around $3.26. I believe there is free shipping as well. Well, this is super slow shipping. Again, once you guys get orders, you can use a private agent like Commercive. Commercive.co is my company. We do shipping within 6 to 12 days. So a great, great supplier to use once you have orders. But for now, you can use AliExpress for your first few orders, okay? Again, great margins, $3.26. They're selling it for $20. I love it. Great job on this one. All right, now moving over to product number 3, okay? This product is also an awesome one. I love it for the winter. It's probably one of my favorite on the list so far. And product number 4 and 5 are also pretty sweet, but this one caught my attention. Take a look. So pretty sick. I mean, this got in 25 days 2 million views. It blew up right away, which is amazing. This is an organic product that can do super well. As you can see, the product page looks super nice. I mean, great job whoever did this. I would add reviews. Ooh, there they go. I would add more reviews because there's not many reviews here with pictures. But overall, very clean. I like the pictures. I would do some more of a sale, but it is $30 off, which is great. On AliExpress, I couldn't find this product just by quickly looking, but I'm sure if you look hard enough, you will find it. You just got to go to AliExpress. Let's see, gasless. Gasless fireplace. Okay, let's see if we can find anything here. See, most of them are more expensive items, but I'm sure if you look hard enough, you will find this product. This product is a great one. I can tell you for a fact that these people are drop shippers, okay? They are not a custom brand. I mean, if they were, then they're doing a great job. I believe that there are people on AliExpress selling this. You just got to look a little harder. Personally, the way I think about it is if you go out and about, you go the extra mile, you go out of the box to put that extra effort in, and you separate yourself, you be that 1% of drop shippers, then you're more likely to succeed, because most drop shippers, if they just look up the product and it's there, then it's going to be easier to sell. That means there was more competition. If you can't really find the link to AliExpress, then there's going to be less competition. By the way, guys, I'm a little under the weather, and hope you guys don't mind. My voice is a little shot. Just been sick over the weekend. I barely got sleep while scaling our store to over $30,000 a day. By the way, that YouTube video is live on my channel. You guys have been blowing it up. Thank you for all the support. Really, you guys have been amazing. Thank you so much for everything you guys have been doing. Moving on, okay? Product number 4. Okay, the products just get better as we go. Product number 4 is this car seat gap filler. Now, this was on Shark Tank, a very similar product. So as you can see, this product basically goes ahead and covers up the seat, so there's no more cracks and whatnot. Okay, so no keys, nothing falls inside, anything like that. They're selling for $55. I think that's a little high for this product. Okay, we're gonna copy this. We're gonna copy this title. Okay, and we're gonna paste it in AliExpress and see if we can find the product, because I doubt it costs that much. And just like that, as you can see, there's some for 20. There are some for 9. They're selling it way too high. I would undercut them a little bit and definitely get the price down, because if you're getting for 9, you shouldn't be selling for 55. You should sell for like $39.99 or $29.99. Something that is affordable for those people that are just scrolling on TikTok, okay? And last but not least, let's go to the last product of the day, and this one's my favorite. I always leave the best for last. You guys know how it is, and it is this new product.
I have no clue how much a sun catcher could transform your room.
As you guys can see, this product is amazing, okay? You don't see products like this that can do super well on organic, and I think this can be a very good organic product and a product for ads. So go ahead and try this for yourself, and please send me your results once you get them, or if you don't, keep on pushing. There are so many products for you guys to test. There's so much for you to learn, and if you want to level up in 2023, I will leave a link to schedule a call with either myself or one of my team members. I'm looking to take on about 5 students or so that are going to be my one-on-one students for 2023, especially for January moving on. If you feel like you got what it takes, if you're committed, if you're hungry, you want to learn from me, and you have some sort of a budget to invest into your knowledge, then click the link right in the description to schedule a call with myself or one of my team members, and we'll talk about the potential packages that are available for you. With that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, Sam out.